In this video here, I'm going to show you how to use the Move tool. Now this is the draft that I already created, the back and the front borders. I've got a video on my page showing you how to draft a full basic borders block. And now, to not create any confusion, I'm going to add the front piece and I'm going to work only on the back piece to show you what we can do with that tool. So in order to do that, I'm going to select all the pieces on the right hand side using the group tool. And on my page, I also got a video there showing you how to use the group tool. So you can go have a look at the group tool, how it works. And once I selected all the pieces for the front, it appears on the group of visibility side, and there's an eye here icon, and I will click on that and it will hide the front. And now you can select the Move Objects tool, which is under the operations, and you will see it on the left hand side. You click on that, and I'm just going to select this portion of this pattern piece, and I will show you why. So now if you look at the bottom of the screen here, it says select one or more objects. You hold down the control key for multiple selection and you enter to confirm the selection. So I clicked on this one side here holding the control key and I'm clicking enter, and this is I got my selection. So I'm going to use my shift key and to move it in line with the pattern piece here. So now I'm just going to move it a little away to show you, and I'm going to click on the mouse key, left mouse key, and you click on that, it'll come up with the box. This is the options for the move. And now, unfortunately, if you're expecting to move the whole pattern piece, this tool doesn't work like that. It doesn't move the entire pattern piece, but you can move just portions of the pattern piece. For example, now I just moved the armhole and the side seam here just to show you, to demonstrate what you can do with it. If you want to extend your pattern piece by a certain amount, or you want to reshape it, and this is what the tool is all about. So when you come up with this box here, you see the angle is 0. Well, that is straight to the left, and this is, I'm going to leave that as 0. And I'm going to change the length. Now the length from this point here where it was, I'm going to change it to 2 centimeters because I'm working in centimeters. And when I click onto 2 and I press apply, and you see what happens, it actually moves the piece to the right, and it moved it by 2 centimeters. And I'm going to click OK, apply and OK. And now this is what it came up with.